About how can you enable radio message notifications on your Clapper app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just go down. You click here on this sign down here, just click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Go above this sign, click on it here. So when you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on push notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on in-app notifications. So then here you will find radio message. Clicking this sign. Like you see this color show for us. That's my radio message notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.